The 6 phases of an effective AI business plan. Hi there. I'm Amanda Bennett from AIBusinessStrategist.org. Have you ever thought about using artificial intelligence, AI, to grow your business but weren't sure where to start? Well, you're not alone. AI can do amazing things. It can help you find customers, save time, and even make sales while you sleep. But here's the thing. AI only works if you have a plan. That's why today I'm going to break down the 6 phases of an effective AI business plan. This simple step-by-step approach will help you use AI the right way so you don't waste time or money on tools that don't work. Let's jump in. Phase 1. Identify the biggest challenges in your business. So before using AI or even thinking about it, you need to figure out what's holding your business back. Where are the bottlenecks? AI isn't magic. It's a tool that solves specific problems. Ask yourself, are you struggling to find new customers? Are customers' questions taking up too much of your time? Are you losing sales because people are leaving your website without buying? There could be 1,000 questions you ask yourself, but you know your business, you know what the biggest challenges are. So write it down, put it down. What are your biggest challenges? Every business has different needs. So your AI plan should start with your biggest challenge. And it may be HR, it may be accounting, it may be sales, it could be anything, but write your biggest challenge. So here's an example. If your biggest issue is getting customers, start with an AI-powered marketing tools. If your problem is entering too many emails, start with AI chatbots. So phase 2, choosing the right tools. Now there's over 50,000 AI tools and platforms, and it's growing exponentially every day. So finding the right tool is really important, and the way to do that is to really know what you're trying to achieve. So once you know your biggest challenge, once you know what you want to achieve, then it's time to pick your AI tool. Here are some great AI solutions based on some common business problems. So the first problem looking at is finding customers. If you use AI-powered tools like Facebook lookalike audiences or Google Smart Bidding to target the right people, or you got too many customer questions, AI chatbots like Tidio or Drift can answer customer questions 24/7. Or maybe your problem is your emails are taking too long to do. AI tools like Klaviyo or ActiveCampaign can send personalized emails automatically. Or maybe it's your inventory, your inventory management. Tools like Zoho Inventory can predict what products you need and when. Start with one AI tool that solves your biggest problem before adding on more. Phase 3. Set it up and test it. Once you pick your AI tool, it's time to set it up. Most AI tools come with an easy to follow instructions and tutorials and help desks and all sorts of stuff. But the key here is to test it before going all in. A lot of AI tools actually have, you can try it for free for a week or 2 weeks and even up to a month. So trying it out and testing it, really important. And then once you've decided to go ahead with it and you set it up, you need to test it as well. So here's how to test your AI tools. So for chatbots, ask common customer questions and check if the bot gives you the right answers. Now, pretty straightforward. For email AI, send test emails and see if people open them. Or let's say for AI ads, run a small test ad before spending more money and see what it comes back with. What are the stats on it? If something isn't working, make the small changes until you get the best results. Okay, phase 4. Automate and let AI do the work. Once AI is set up correctly, let it run on its own. AI is a powerful because it can work that 24/7 without needing a break. I'll give you some examples. AI can automatically send emails when customers leave products in their cart. AI can adjust your ads in real time to get better results. AI can track customer behavior and suggest products they might like. This means you spend less time on manual tasks and more time growing your business. Phase 5. Track your results and improve. AI is always learning, but you still need to check in and see if it's working. Ask yourself these questions. Is AI saving me time? Is AI helping me get more sales? Are my customers happier? If the answer is yes, fantastic! If not, adjust your settings or try a different AI tool. Successful businesses keep improving their AI plan over time to get even better results. Phase 6. Scale and expand your AI strategy. Once your first AI tool is working really well, it's time to grow your AI strategy. For example, if AI is helping with marketing, add AI-powered customer service next. Or if AI is saving you time on emails, try AI inventory management next. You can create an AI stack that one works off the other, but make sure you're still focusing on what your biggest challenge is in your business. What is it that's slowing things down? You've done your first one, but now there's something else that could be improved that will make a big difference to the bottom line. By slowly adding your AI to different parts of your business, you can scale faster without actually working harder. How about some real life examples? AI business plan in action. Let me tell you about a small business owner who used this 6-phase AI plan to completely transform their business. They ran an online gadget sort of store. It had lots of different cool little things actually, but they really had these 3 problems. They had a lot of questions because the gadgets were quite complicated and cool. They had a lot of customer questions come through, and a lot of people were leaving the website without buying, quite a high percentage compared to norm, and they're running out of popular products really quickly and missing out on sales because of it. So what we did, we followed the AI business plan, and here's what happened. They set up an AI chatbot to cut customer emails in half. The chatbot was really good. They used AI email automation and nearly doubled the customers coming back to buy. So that was amazing. And then they added AI inventory tracking. So those really popular products, because there's a lot of fads that were going through, they were able to actually really capitalize on them at the right time and really, went to the bank with that one. And the best part, AI did it all automatically. There was no extra work needed other than the setup of the AI, obviously. So, final thoughts. Build your AI business plan today. So let's recap the 6 phases of an effective AI business plan. Phase 1, identify your biggest challenge. Phase 2, choose the right AI tools. Phase 3, set up and test it. Phase 4, automate and let AI do the work. Phase 5, track your results and improve. And phase 6, scale and expand your AI strategy. AI isn't just for big businesses. It's for anyone who wants to save time, grow faster, and work smarter. So, what's one area of your business where AI could help right now? Let me know in the comments. And if you need help with your AI strategy, get in touch. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.